Funny facts about kale cooking, leave it to me. Hello, kale lovers and the kale curious. You know the veggie that's been taking over smoothies, salads, and Instagram feeds? Yep, kale, the Beyoncé of leafy greens. But have you ever wondered how it went from bitter garden garnish to the A-list superfood? Spoiler, it wasn't natural evolution. Turns out, kale became a star thanks to clever marketing. In 2013, a fake PR team started promoting kale as the ultimate health food, and people bought in faster than you can say Kale-ifornia. Makes you wonder, is kale fashion or just a fad we're all chewing on? Kale isn't just any green. It's basically the Mariah Carey of vegetables. It's high maintenance. Who knew you'd have to massage your food like it's at a day spa? Yes, people, tenderizing kale makes it less bitter and easier to eat. Luxury treatment for leaves? Only kale could pull it off. But wait, there's more. Kale's diva reputation doesn't stop there. Its curly leaves trap everything. Dressing, spices, even secrets, probably. So if you ever find case files in your salad, don't be alarmed. That's just kale overachieving as usual. Ever been told kale should only be eaten raw because nutrients are destroyed when cooking? Fun fact, that's baloney. Actually, cooking kale releases more of its antioxidants. So if steaming it means fewer sad bunny salads, we vote yes. Kale sautéed in garlic? Chef's kiss. And then there's the infamous kale chip phase. Some swear they're better than potato chips. Spoiler, they're not. Sure, they're green, crunchy, healthy, but satisfying? Hey, we'd still trade kale chips for fries any day. Sorry, kale. Now let's get real. You're here for the cooking tips. Kale can be exciting, yes, really, when used creatively. First up, kale pesto. Blend massaged kale, garlic, lemon, and almonds for a pasta sauce that's anything but basic. Pro tip, add lots of Parmesan because, well, dairy fixes everything. For the pranksters out there, try kale ice cream. Your friends will swear you've ruined dessert forever. But joke's on them. It's oddly delicious. Just don't call it superfood gelato, unless you want side-eye looks. See? Kale can do more than just haunt salad bars. Let's address the kale fails we've all experienced. Ever tossed kale into a smoothie without removing the stems? Congrats! You've created a fiber-filled power drill for your blender. Always de-stem. Nobody should have to chew that hard before breakfast. And kale chips? Well, they go from crispy to charred faster than Taylor Swift tickets sell out. Keep an eye on your oven unless you enjoy snacking on leafy ashes. Cooking kale can be hilarious, but learning from your fails is even funnier. Kale isn't just food, it's multi-talented. Did you know kale works as a kitchen scrubber? Those curly leaves are better than sponges for scrubbing potatoes or carrots. Who needs expensive brushes when you've got edible cleaning tools? Better yet, kale can save your garden. Toss leftover leaves into compost bins, and voila! Supercharged soil. What can't this green goddess do? If kale starts fixing Wi-Fi, we're tapping out. Picture this: kale beauty products. Who wouldn't want anti-aging kale face masks or kale-infused shampoos? We could lather ourselves in the superfood we already consume. Why stop the obsession at eating when you can wear kale too? Somebody pitch this to the kale PR team ASAP. What about kale in space? NASA, if you're listening, kale would thrive in zero gravity. Just imagine astronauts massaging kale before eating. Priceless footage for humanity. Plus, future Martians might worship kale like we do. Okay, jokes aside, kale deserves its fame. It's nutritious, low-calorie, and endlessly versatile, difficult personality aside. Whether you bake, blend, or fry it, kale brings its A game. Sure, it can be a little extra, but isn't that why we secretly love it? Don't knock kale till you try kale ice cream? Now get out there, kale lovers. Grab those bunches, whip up some pesto, maybe even try spa day massaging. And remember, laughter makes cooking better, and so does kale, sometimes. Hit subscribe, share your kale fails, and let's keep cooking with humor.